Hi, Palm Beach County graduating seniors. I'm Sheryl Sandberg, the Facebook COO and the founder of Lean In. I graduated from high school very close to where you are. I went to North Miami Beach Senior High. And so I'm excited, at least via video, to say congratulations to you on your graduation. These are unprecedented times. I know it's hard not to be able to come together and have the same graduation ceremony you would have had. And I hope you know that people all around the country are congratulating you, but also pulling for you. In these difficult times, we're going to need leaders and we're going to need students who step up and help fix the problems that we face as a world, both this virus and before and after that. So congratulations on all the hard work you've done. If you're going off to school, I hope it goes well. Even if you're distance learning for a while, if you're entering the workforce, I hope you make a real contribution. And I hope you keep your hearts light and optimistic, because the world will be a better place for you entering it. Congratulations.